Welcome to Biology. Hi guys, welcome back to Biology. Today I am bringing you something that if you receive this or go to Michael's and purchase this, the instructions for this item, there are no instructions. I had to pull my instructions. So I wanted a water feature outside in my peninsula. So I went and found this water feature, this fountain, and it is an ASHLAND water fountain. And let me see if you can see how much it was. It was originally $119. Then it went down to $99.99, and I got it on sale. So I was like, cool, I want this. They had another one with the round ball, but for some odd reason, I really did like this one. Well, after opening it up out the box, I was like, okay, let me take my pieces out because it's only 3 pieces, and I already took it out of the box. I should have unboxed it with you, but I didn't think that I would have to make a video on it. Those are your so-called instructions. There are no instructions. It's just like, that's all you can do to this piece of paper. So guys, what I am going to do, in case you get this same item and you're sitting there like, how do I put this together? I am here to save the day. So guys, this is once again an ASHLAND water fountain. And it is good for indoors or outdoors. So guys, I'm gonna take you through the parts. I'm gonna show you how to put it together and show you that I found out how to make it work. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I put plastic on my hardwood floors because I didn't want to damage my floor. So this is what it's gonna look like. This is your biggest base, and this one do have a tube in it. That is your top 2, and they are mounted together. And also right here, that is where your light is. You're gonna need water. This is your plug and your pump. So let's get started. For safety guys, I am gonna move my water. So the first thing you want to do, this is your pump, please. Make sure that you push this in very, very well until you meet the line. So you want to make sure that is definitely pushed in first. So the second thing you want to do, you have a hole right here, and this is protect your electric, because of course you're going to plug this up and you don't want water to get into it. So you're going to pull that through. And on the back, it do have a little slide right there where your hose do sit. So that is the next. The next part, guys, this is your pump. Remember I said to make sure that it's tight. This is the other side of the hose. Push it in. Make sure it is sealed and tight. Next thing, this is for your LED lights. So you just put this in, connect, and screw this on real good. And this will be in the water, so you don't have to worry about it, because this part that you're screwing on is a water protector screen seal. So now what you want to do is take all of this and just push it in. I can get it all the way in. There it is. Up. So be careful with that. You see what I just did. And it's easy just to pop in, pop right back out. Okay. So all of that is in. Now the only thing you do is take this and put it in and turn, and you hear when it lock. There it is. There it is. It's all locked in place. So now let me plug it up. Okay, I have an extension cord, so I'm gonna sit that to the side. this is when you need your water. I'm gonna go ahead and pour my water. And I'm gonna plug it in, and it is a 3-prong, so make sure your plug is also a 3-prong. Boom, there it goes. So there it is, and it has that peaceful sound. I'm gonna turn my ring light off so you can see. Okay guys, and that is what it looks like. I am going to add some river rocks to this, but once I put it outside, then I'll show you how it is. But please do stay tuned. I am going to reveal my whole entire area outside where this is going to go. So I wanted something that had a very nice serene sound. So guys, this is it. This is how you put it together. The instructions, guys, don't go by it, because the instructions makes absolutely no sense. So once again, this is the ASHLAND water fountain that you can purchase from Michael's. So guys, it was just that simple to do. I am going to be setting this up outside. That video is to come one day this week, but I wanted to let you know how easy it is to put it together, because the instructions make absolutely no sense. And besides that, guys, they have instructions on the side of the box, and they say the same thing, that is, they tell you how to clean it, how to do troubleshooting, but they don't tell you how to put it together. So after trying to figure it out, and I'm like, it's a pump, okay, fish tanks have pumps, that pump can go inside. So after looking at that, is absolutely so adorable. So guys, so stay tuned to where I'm going to put it outside and what it's going to look like, and it's going to be the whole reveal to that part of my backyard. So guys, like I always say, please like, comment, share, and thumbs up my video. If you are new to my home, welcome to the home of Theology. And if you're returning, hi. And you know what I always say, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye. Subscribe, share, and thumbs up, y'all.
Fake star with no way.